एवरीवन, वेलकम टू इंग्लिश पाठशाला। जब हम बात करते हैं प्रोनाउंसिएशन की तो हम एक कैटेगरी है जिसको बिल्कुल भी इग्नोर नहीं कर सकते एंड दैट इज़ द प्रोनाउंसिएशन ऑफ फॉरेन ब्रांड्स। सो वी माइट नॉट बी यूजिंग देम बट अगर हमें उनकी सही प्रोनाउंसिएशन पता हो तो इट इज़ ऑलवेज एन एडेड एडवांटेज, right? Okay, now the foreign brands are mostly French, like we have Gucci, so it's not Gucci or whatever you might call it, Gucci. Then you have Benetton, then you have Dolce & Gabbana. It's not Dolce & Gabbana, Dolce & Gabbana. We'll do that later as we go ahead. Or they may be French, so French names are a little shorter, so it is like Givenchy, right? So if it is like the spelling is this, so we will not go by the letters but we will go with the lexicon in which they are pronounced. So this is Givenchy, right? Then we have this is Chanel. So these are French brands that I'm talking about. Chanel, Dior, right? Then we have these German brands, like we have this automobile manufacturing company. So this, how would you pronounce this as? So this is Maybach. So this is not Maybach as if you go with the letters, no. So it's Maybach. So, and this is a German car brand, as I told you, and it is the parent company is your Mercedes-Benz. So it is not Mercedes, it is Mercedes. So this E, you don't utter the sound of this Mercedes. Mercedes nahi, Mercedes, right? Okay, then you have Swiss luxury watchmaker with the name of, this could be a little troublesome. This is your H and we have EUER. So this is not Tag Heuer, it is Tag Heuer, right? So this is Tag Heuer, right? Okay, so these were a couple of examples that I gave you, and now we will one by one go to different brands according to the company of origin, or maybe the products, like we'll discuss cars, sunglasses, clothing brands, cosmetics, right? Okay, so let us go with the French brands first, right? Now you might have heard and mostly you see celebrities donning these brands, maybe out of reach of an ordinary citizen, but if you're aware, so there's no harm in knowing about them, right? Okay, so the first one that we will come to, a French brand. So we're discussing French brands here, pronunciation of French brands, and this is, so just get it, just guess what you would pronounce it as, right? So now this is not Louis Vuitton or whatever you might say, it is Louis. So Louis and Vuitton. Now this U and I, they should come together. So I mean that will not come as a long sound. Vuitton. So this is Louis Vuitton. Now the one characteristic of the French names is that they will always make them shorter. Italian names, they will elongate the sound, and the French pronunciation is a little shorter. They'll try and make it crisper, right? So this is Louis Vuitton. Okay, then we have now this has its monogram as a LV, which you can see, and this company used to make trunks first, handmade trunks. So and then it evolved into a brand over a couple of years. I mean over hundreds of, not hundreds, decades. Okay. So next we have is Chanel, that we've discussed. Chanel. So Chanel will be, now this majorly deals with the women's women wear and clothes, eye care, and then skin care. Okay, then we have another French brand, which is, now this is not Cartier, no, this is Cartier, right? So the last alphabet that we have, or a letter, so you have to be a little specific with that. So this is Cartier. So Cartier या Cartier बोलने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, Cartier. So this is Cartier. Now this is a conglomerate conglomerate which deals with jewelry. Then we have watches and fragrances, right? Okay, so next we come, so these are all, again we are still continuing with the French brands, right? Then we have, now this is not Hermes, this is Hermes. And whenever you have this small little sign, so this means that this is an air sound. Hermes. So H is silent and this is Hermes, right? And then this is like, again, it deals with, it's a luxury brand. It deals with home furnishing, jewelry, clothes, leathers, watches. As I told you that these are fashion houses and they not only deal with one product, but a couple of products which get them good name and business, right? Okay, so the next we come to is, now you might be pronouncing it as Lancôme or as close as you can get. Now this is Lancôme. So this is Lancôme. Again, this deals with personal care and cosmetics. Lancôme, right? So many women would be aware of the brand, this brand particularly. Okay, then we have another one. Now this is again, it deals with perfumes mostly and with women's wear. So this is again this is Chloe. It's not Chloe. Now, so don't go with this E sound, and especially if it has this sign, so it means it is an A. The sound will be A, Chloe. And shorter sound, shorter and crisper with the French names, right? Okay, then we have Garnier. You might have, now we talked about Cartier. Now this was Cartier, and then we had, so this was Cartier and Garnier. So this is not Garnier, it is Garnier, right? Okay, now then we have now this longish kind of name, and this is your, okay, so now you must try this out. Let me get the spellings right. Okay, because I myself am not a very, brand conscious person. So this is Jagualtier. Okay, so now if we go, now this is the name of the designer, I think. And so how do we pronounce it? This is Jean-Paul Gaultier. Okay, Jean. This is Jean. Let us go one by one. Jean, and this is not Paul. You will not call it Paul. It's Paul. Again, it's a French name, so it's smaller sounds. Jean-Paul Gaultier. Gaultier, nahi Gaultier. Right? So Jean-Paul Gaultier. So when they combine the entire thing, so it will be Jean-Paul Gaultier, right? Now, this is he's a French designer and who deals in haute couture. Now you might have haute. This is not hot, the sound will be hot, but you might have come across this word many times. Couture. So this is couture. Haute couture. Now, haute couture, what does this mean? This means that this uses high quality fabric, it is hand woven, and it's very expensive, and because it is high-end fashion and extreme attention to the details, etc., is given. So this is the designer's name, Jean-Paul Gaultier. Now you will not again come out with the letters Gaultier. It has to be together, Gaultier. So Jean-Paul Gaultier. So L और T जो है आपका इकट्ठे ही आएगा, Gaultier. Right? Okay. Now we come to, these were the French brands, and now we come to the Italian brands. Okay. Now the Italian brands, the first one that comes to my mind is this is This is double B. Okay. So this is Dolce. Dolce. Now there is no H, but it is pronounced as Dolce. And this and will not come as and. You will just say a. Dolce, Gabbana. Gabbana. Now remember, Italian names, they will be a little elongated. French names shorter and crisper, the sound, and the Italian names will be long. So you can take your own time, pronouncing them. So this is Dolce Gabbana. Gabbana. Dolce Gabbana. Dolce Gabbana. Right? So this will, again, it deals with clothes, shoes, bags. Right? Then we have Versace. So this is commonly spoken correctly. Versace, again, luxury high-end brand. Then we have, okay, now you can just try this out if you get this right. M-O-S, Mos. Now, how do you pronounce this as? Now, this is Moschino. This is not Moschino, Moschino, Moschino. So, they have again these shoes, perfumes, and other accessories, leather accessories, right? Then we have Gucci. So, Gucci. Okay, so this is again, they will lay stress on this Gucci. Gucci, right? Then we have, okay. Then we have, now it is commonly known as Armani, but the entire name is Giorgio. Now this R, very small sound. Giorgio Armani. Giorgio Armani, right? So again, this is lifestyle products that he offers and other, high-end products. Okay. Then we have, okay, now the young girls and women might have come across this. So this is not Prada. Now the Americans call it Prada, but this is Prada. Prada. So this is not this is the Prada. Alright, Prada. And then we have Ferragamo. Ferragamo. Now this Ferragamo, yes, this is again an Italian brand. So this is Ferragamo. Okay, Ferragamo. Okay, so then again they deal with shoes, leather goods, and Swiss made timepieces. Ferragamo. Right? Then we have, okay, this is another famous brand that you might have come across. And how have you been pronouncing it? Let us see. So it's not Pierre Cardin. Pierre Cardin, no, it is Pierre Cardin. Pierre Cardin. Pierre Cardin. So this is Pierre. Now this E sound will not come, right? So because it doesn't have that sign, otherwise it would have been Pierre. No, so it is Pierre. Pierre Cardin. Right? So again, he is an Italian-born French designer. And he deals with fashion products and perfumes, jewelry, watches, pens. Okay, another Italian brand is this is, now how would you come out with this? This is Bulgari. So this R, Bulgari, right? And so there is no sound of this V, Bulgari. Now again, this is jewelry and watches and leather goods, right? Okay. So now we come to cars. Okay. Now these brands, okay, are again you might have heard most of them, but are you pronouncing them right? So now we have now this is not Audi. Now this is Audi, right? So this is again a German brand. So this is Audi. Then we have this is not Volkswagen. This is Volkswagen. Okay. So this is not the V sound is not there. V is gets converted to F. So this is because again it's a German brand. Okay. So Volkswagen, right? Then you have this P-E-U-G-E-O-T. Now what will you pronounce this as? Now this is Peugeot. Now again, this is a French brand. It's a French, this is the family name of the manufacturer, Peugeot. Now, Peugeot, and this is another brand. This is Piaggio. This is Piaggio and this is Peugeot. Now, Piaggio, this is an Italian brand, Piaggio, right? Okay, so Piaggio, Peugeot, Volkswagen, Audi. Okay, then we have this another famous brand which you usually see on Indian roads. This is again Skoda, not Skoda, Skoda. Then we have, this is Bugatti, not Bugatti, Bugatti. Again, this was founded in Germany by an Italian born designer. So this is Bugatti. Then we have Lamborghini. Now the French will pronounce it as Lambor. Okay, Lamborghini. So Lamborghini, but the Americans call it Lamborghini. Okay, so Lamborghini. So because it is a French brand, so I think Lamborghini should be the correct pronunciation. Then we have Renault. Now again, this T is of no use, so it is Renault. Then we have another luxury brand. This is this is what? This is Porsche. Porsche nahi hai, Porsche. Then Chevrolet. Chevrolet is not Chevrolet, it's Chevrolet. And so you don't, this O will not be pronounced. Chevrolet, right? Chevrolet. Then you have Hyundai. Then you have, okay, Maybach, I said German company. Nissan. So this is not Nissan, this is Nissan. Again, this is the Japanese company, right? Okay, so these were a couple of car brands. So I think we will leave it here today, and the next time we are going to do the clothing brands, the sunglasses, perfumes, and footwear, right? So watch out for that, and please subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon, and don't forget to like, share and comment. Thanks for watching.